Hey guys, Mark Antoine here, and welcome to this review of Jeunesse Global. So, we're going to take a look at this company and we're going to take a look at it from a perspective of the marketing perspective to see if it's going to be a great opportunity. We're going to take a look at the products, the compensation plan, and really look at some key metrics to really understand how great of an opportunity this is going to be. So, this is a company that focuses on health and wellness, and they have a number of different products. They have products that help you have energy during the day. They have products that deal with skincare and those kind of things. But when we look at it from a marketing perspective, we're looking at, is there enough buzz around the company that's going to lead to people actually having enough traffic to people who want to actually buy that product. So we're taking a look at how much monthly searches just the name of the company is getting, and we get the metric of 165,000 monthly searches. So that's a lot of traffic there, and it's our job then, uh, if we're a representative of this company or if we're affiliate of this company, we want to get as much of that traffic as possible to our affiliate link and what we have to offer. So uh, that's for that keyword, and for the Jeunesse Global keyword, we get 49,500 monthly searches. So there's definitely more than enough search traffic there, that if we market in a proper way, that we can get some of that traffic to our link and have people join with us. Now we want to take a look at what countries that traffic is coming from, and we can see that the majority of the traffic is going to be coming from Brazil. So if you speak Portuguese, I know if I'm joining this company, I'm going to go on Google Translate and look at the compensation plan, how to say it in Portuguese. I might make some content um, in Portuguese for Brazil, because that's where most of the traffic is coming from. Then the United States, and then various other countries follow behind that. But you want to see exactly where the traffic is coming from, and this is a good metric here. They're getting 1.8 million visits to their website per month, which is absolutely awesome. So there's definitely enough, more than enough buzz in this company. There's more. It's a very popular company. People are definitely using the website and spending time there. I think I saw. Let me see. Yeah, they're spending about on average 7 minutes there, so they're really browsing, checking out the products, and making purchases there. When we look at social media, people are utilizing the power of social media, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram to promote these things, and that's really where you're going to be able to leverage the power of the internet to take a company like this to the next level. Now they're keeping up with modern technology in terms of their apps. So they have apps in multiple languages. You see Jeunesse Indonesia, and they have uh, multiple apps available in the Google Play Store. Now they say there's three ways essentially to control your destiny. That's ways to earn money with this opportunity. So that's through customer sales, that's through building a team, and through hitting the leadership ranks. Now, in terms of customer sales, that's your retail profits. That means you purchase a product and you sell it so you purchase it at a wholesale price and sell it at a retail price. Then, as people get interested in the product, they may join with you in the business side of things, and you start building your team. And at that point, they become affiliates as well, and they sell the product as well. And then as you reach different ranks, you gain in these leadership levels where there's definitely more benefits, more perks, and more earning potential there. But here's the thing: a lot of time when people come in and to a given company and they want to build that company and they want to make it grow, they go about it by speaking to family and friends, listening at the mall, and doing those kind of things where they're speaking to a lot of people who may not be interested in what they have to offer. As we could see, by utilizing the power of the internet, we can understand some key metrics where we can target the right market, the right people who are already interested in what we have to offer, and then we could just simply get out in front of them. And that's really the key there. I mean, I was there where I was hunting down family and friends, where I talked to the mailman, the bus driver. I talked to the lady at the jewelry store, the lady who did my mom's hair, the lady who did my mom's nails, the lady who crossed the street to avoid me. She saw me coming. She knew, hey, this guy always talks to people. I'm gonna cross the street. I'm gonna avoid him. I crossed the street right back. I said, hey, how you doing? Let's take a look. And I did get some results, but I definitely found later on that it wasn't the most effective method possible. Now, I hope you got a better understanding of some key metrics from this video and understand that this opportunity here is a good opportunity, but the key is to really know how to leverage the power of the internet to take a business like this to the next level. So I left a link in the description with a video and a video series, and you're going to get on my email list where I'll be able to send you more content where it's going to show you from step to step exactly how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, where some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you exactly how I'm able to generate those leads, how I no longer have to blitz at the mall and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. I hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.